In front of me is Nubia Neo 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google, located under Autofill Service, and click on Google Password Manager. Now click on one of your added passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Then tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!